Airport South, Terminal 1, takes the subway. Transfer from Sports West Road to Line 3. Transfer to Line 8 at Kitsuan Station. Terminal Station, Pasho. Take Line 2 of the subway at Guangzhou Railway Station. Transfer to Line 8 at Chongqing Station. Terminal Station, Pasho. Take Metro Line 3, towards Panyu Square Station. Transfer from Kitsuan Station to Metro Line 8. Terminal Station, Pasho. Subway Line 2, towards Jiahe-Wanggang. Transfer to Metro Line 8, towards Wanqingwai. Terminal Station, Pasho.